take one.
Fine then. No, I want the blue. If I'm gonna have them, I'm gonna have the blue.
You want one? We have double. I can have one too. We can be friends.
Oh yes, let's do it. Friending it up.
Thank you. I have no other friends. They all said they'd rather get Botox and McCartney than be my friend.
That's terrible.
I know. Tell them that. They don't care. I have feelings too. Want these?
Yes.
Okay. You want some of these?
Yeah, but you take the purple ones.
What?
Like, once I open them, you take the grape ones, because grape is gross.
Okay. Like me?
Like, no, you're not gross, but, like, I have a stash of fucking grape ones that I didn't eat that's up here. They're gross, though.
You want one?
Yes.
Okay. You want a Smarties?
Yes.
Wait, why is one of them bigger than the other? I don't know.
Wait, what do you mean?
I thought this one was bigger, but it's
Oh. You're just losing it, aren't you?
I don't have another friend, but we could all be triplets.
I mean, you could try giving one to Maddie.
I could give it to Savannah. She's a redhead. She'd probably kill me, but it's okay.
Oh, I don't even see her tomorrow. Do you want me to give it to her next time I see her? Okay.
Do you want the Starburst?
Sure, I'll take one. I ain't scared.
Okay, good. I am.
What are you scared about?
I don't know.
You don't know what you're scared about? What are those?
My kinetics.
Oh.
Like my uncles.
I was gonna say go to our uncles.
You want this one?
We can give them to Ray.
Okay, I want this one though.
Okay, I'll give this one to Ray.
Okay. How many licks it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop?
That's a blow
I don't
pop.
know, because this is a blow pop. You want it?
No, wait, what flavor is it?
Watermelon?
Sure.
Okay.
Give it to Grandma.
Okay. Would you kill me?
I know.
Do you want a Jolly Rancher sucker?
A what?
A Jolly Rancher sucker?
Ew, cherry, no.
Okay.
You take it.
I don't want it.
That way we both have a sucker.
No, I'm good. Oh, this is a Tootsie Pop!
Get the wrapper. Do not do that.
Why?
Because it's going to get stuck and then I'm going to laugh at you.
Okay. What's that? It's like, ew. Anyways.
I don't know.
Want a Whopper?
Sure.
Okay.
You don't like these?
I have one.
Oh, okay. That works.
You want a Reese's Pieces?
No, I don't like those, actually.
Okay.
You can have it.
No, I'm good.
What is that?
Clear.
Right there. What is... No, what was it? Was it the Butterfinger?
We'll get to that.
It was just bugging me.
I have a watermelon and a green apple Jolly Rancher thing. You want one?
Sure. Which
one?
It doesn't matter.
That one.
Okay, that works.
Stop judging me.
I'm not judging you.
One?
Do you even like lemon heads?
No.
I don't either.
Okay.
Well,
She?
I don't know.
Did she?
What? That I don't know. I mean, she's sour enough, but
Don't be mean.
I'm not. I'm just saying.
We'll give him. I don't know if Dad
Here.
likes them. I'll try them first.
Well, here, we can set them in this pile.
In what pile? That I don't know who likes them.
Well, this one we know Ray likes, but I don't know if she likes these.
I don't know.
We'll have to ask her.
I'll ask my dad first. If he doesn't like them, then we can give them to Ray.
Right, I can see if
My
Savannah
dad
likes them.
likes these. So does my mom. But I'm gonna give it to my mom.
Oh, snap. I'm not touching you.
How many licks does it take to get to a Tootsie Pop? Oh, just kidding. This is the Jesus Pop.
Is it really?
Yeah. It's called the Jesus Sees the Light Pop. I don't want it though. Does anyone like pops? No. You go next.
You go next. Haha.
But it says Hugo.
I know, it's a play on words.
I want this this one. You can have that.
I'll take the Hugo next.
No, you go next.
I know.
No, I want to go next.
Rest in pieces.
Why?
I'll stop. I'll go to bed now.
Do you like Yorks?
What?
Yorks?
Yeah.
This is a peppermint. Pumpkin shaped peppermint.
Ugh.
Okay.
It's mint and chocolate. Ugh.
Okay. Wait. Where did this one come from?
There's another one?
You can have one too.
Oh, we'll be matching. Here,
Yeah.
we'll give the Hugo next to Ray.
Yeah.
Okay. Good talk.
Where did this one come from? I think I ate this and didn't like it.
So that you can have another one?
It's okay.
Are you slowly breaking down, Riley?
Yeah. You want another one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you taking one too?
Yeah.
I just have a pile of candy.
What about another one?
Yes.
Okay.
Not gonna say no to some Smarties. Oh, that was so awesome.
You want gum? Can I have one
Sure.
with the other thing?
Why did you say
I
thanks?
don't know.
Because I'm taking it? Okay. I love how earlier your dad was talking about your snack drawer and now you're just getting rid of everything.
I'll get more. What did you
Oh, you're gonna get more?
What did you move?
That's a Tootsie Roll.
There's a thing.
No, the one is
How
sucker.
many licks it take to get to the end of the Tootsie Pop? Not
That's
much.
a Tootsie Roll.
Oh, how many licks does it take to get to the end of the Tootsie Roll? Enough.
You don't lick a Tootsie Roll.
What?
I'll take one.
You don't bite it either.
What do you do?
I don't know. I've never eaten one.
Liar? Did you say they smell like poop?
No, I really did think that they were poop one day. Someone took one and they rolled it up in their hand and they smushed it and I was like, and they ate it in front of me and they were like, I found this on the bottom of my shoe and I was like, and then they walked away. And they never spoke to me again.
Is that part of the reason you have no friends?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ew, don't do that.
You like these?
What is it?
I don't know.
That looks like it's grape, so fuck
It's a
off.
lightsaber.
Yeah, but it's grape. Ugh.
Oh, this is a grape.
Like I said, anything that's grape flavored, take it back.
Laughing at me. Crunch and chew its gum.
Oh, snap.
I want this. You don't get it.
Okay.
Rest in peace, Rick Morts.
What?
1778 to 1884.
Let me see. Rigor mortis, like rigor mortis. It's another play on words.
Oh, I don't understand.
I can tell.
Get out of here, Jesus Bob. We have one Butterfinger.
Oh, snap.
But I don't know anyone who wants this.
How do you still have stuff in there?
I don't know.
Is this all Halloween candy?
I don't think so.
And it's the beginning of February.
I think I ate all that.
I don't think you did,
I don't
though.
know where this came from.
Probably Halloween.
Well, I also went to merchant trick-or-treating and a few things before that, so I don't know where this
Again, Halloween. And it's February.
I think it's fine. It hasn't been opened.
It still will expire. October, November, December, January.
It's only been like 2 months.
Like 3 months.
Like 3 months. God, I don't know what's the deal. Your pockets are in a drought. Water couldn't even save them.
What? Stop that.
Want the gum?
No.
Or do you want this gum?
Which one?
I think this is gum. Is this gum? I don't
Here,
know.
let me see.
It's eye.
It's It's an eyeball.
A little
Yeah,
bit.
this is definitely Halloween candy. Why do you still have this?
Maybe that's Halloween candy. I don't know where everything else came from.
It's Halloween candy,
I definitely
right?
know these aren't candy.
No, those are not Halloween candy. The chips and the cocoa you got at Christmas time. So that's still good. The chips have been there for a while. Like Thanksgiving.
They can't open. I think they're fine.
They can too. Here, let me see.
They don't expire yet. I don't think.
You're lucky they haven't. 7/14. They're still
This is 8/10/2020.
right. August 10th. This is July 14th, 2020.
Stop judging me.
I'm not judging you. I was saying those didn't expire yet.
You think the candy did? No.
Here, let me see the chips. I want to see if they
Don't take the
expired.
gum. Don't even say when they expire.
Let me see. I'll look.
All expired.
Probably.
You want a chocolate?
Sure.
Okay.
What did you just wipe on your shirt?
I don't know.
Very nice.
There's a lot of open chips in here. I'm feel it.
And it says April 2020.
Why does that taste like chicken?
Did you have chicken today?
No.
Then I don't know. What the fuck are you doing?
It's getting lighter. It's sticky.
What's sticky?
I don't know. Maybe Dad wants the Jesus pod.
Tell him he needs Jesus.
Yes. And when he asks me, I'll be like, this. Like, go away. I'll be like,
Okay.
don't leave.
I'm not gonna leave my room. Are you really going to tell him that he needs Jesus?
I'm giving him his food. And yes. Want some Starburst? No. Okay, you need Jesus.
Need Jesus and to go find him.
But that's a Jesus pod.
I don't want that.
See, I told you, my dad won't be my friend.
You didn't tell him to be your friend. You said he needed Jesus.
He said, go away. Told you.
But you didn't say, hey, be my friend. You said you need Jesus, and he said, go away.
Exactly.
That's very
He
different,
said,
though.
you need Jesus. Go find him. And I said, okay.
Oh.
He said, okay. And we walked away.
Oh, okay.
We should do a tasting. These are special Australian candies.
No, they're not. They're Starburst minis.
They're still Burps me has. So do you want the cheddar ones or the sour cream and onion?
I'd rather have the cheddar. Because I'm a boring bitch.
She can.
What was that?
I don't know. Oops.
Will you not break my floor? You're gonna... All that shit is gonna be broken. I don't want the Ritz. Kobe.
So nice. He died.
He was a basketball player.
He still died.
Uh-huh.
13-year-old daughter.
I'm not insulting him. I threw the crackers. They landed in there. I made the shot.
Rest in peace.
I can't deal with you.
Okay, so let's start with these, okay? I've never had them before. We're just gonna open one pack. Not
Okay.
mine, though. We're gonna open yours.
Don't use your teeth. Here, give me it.
I got it. Too late.
No.
We can't use the open scissors on your ground.
Are there open scissors on the ground?
Yeah.
From when?
I don't know.
Why are
They
there
look
scissors?
like he took them and he eated them. Don't let Dad hear me. He's gonna tell me to leave.
Yup.
Ski. What color do you want? what?
I don't care as long as it's not grape.
Let's try blue.
I'll take. Okay. Is there another blue?
Yeah.
You good? Do you need help? What are you doing?
See? They were like this on your floor.
Why?
I don't know.
Ow!
Maybe you killed someone, shoved them under your bed, and yeeted the scissors.
Wouldn't you guys have smelt the dead body decomposing?
I don't know when you got rid of it. I don't know.
Did you just throw scissors at me?
Yeah. Ready? Oh, good.
I'm not eating out of that pack.
It's fine.
I'm definitely not.
We're related. It's fine.
I don't care.
It's empty.
Mm-hmm. I thought you said it was good.
It was. No, it's not. You done?
Yeah, I actually ate mine.
Oh, okay. Huh? No, nothing? Okay. Here you go.
What flavor is
Great.
this?
I don't know.
Oh, shit. I dropped
Doesn't
it.
even say. Whatever.
It's apple.
One time, we were on the way to the beach, and we stopped to pick up my aunt, and she ran out with a whole bag of mini Starburst and 2 mini shooters, and said she robbed her boyfriend and left.
Mm,
And then we
nice.
went to the beach. Here you go. Pink.
Didn't you just eat an orange?
No. I ate pink. I thought, I don't know.
Don't do that.
Oh, it wasn't nasty. I wouldn't do it. I assume those are the same flavors. Hopefully you didn't like that. Because you're not getting another one.
What?
It's a light pink. It's good.
Was that it?
Okay, we can try these Make Ike Sourlicious.
Oh no. Alright.
Sour watermelon, sour lemon, sour blue raspberry, sour apple, and sour cherry.
Okay. No shit, Sherlock.
Look at that. That's that or they're just
Oh
old.
no. Probably a mix.
Oops, dropped it. Cherry.
Oh my god.
Ready?
I don't wanna. Right?
Going down my throat.
It's actually not really that sour. There it is.
It was so nasty. Oh, I thought it was in the bag. I wasn't. There it is. Okay, we can do this one now.
That actually wasn't that bad.
Get out there.
And that was definitely cherry.
And green apple. I both have my spit on it, probably. No, I'm not sour. I'm just kidding.
What was that face?
It tastes like the. It tastes like those
Oh shit.
What does that taste? It's not green apple.
that was green apple.
No, it was like. It's like when I vomit and then swallow it again.
Ew, why would you do that?
Wait, I think we have a complication.
Why?
Where's the other one?
We'll just have to split that one. We can use the scissors you threw at me.
Okay.
Alright, here, give me the yellow ones.
A lemon. You
Or one of the yellow ones.
ones.
Okay, right.
No, I'm sour.
That one actually,
in there.
there was chicken nuggets in there.
Oh.
That one actually isn't that bad.
You can have the other one. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm gonna eat my piece first as well, and then maybe I'll have it. I go. Oh my god, it's the best thing ever. That was weird. Wait. Oh. My butt.
Where are you going? Okay, bye. What? How old is that tea?
I just cut it today.
Oh. If you spill that on my bed, I'm gonna kick your
You
ass.
like when I took the drink off there and yeeted it across your room?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Whenever I just did the nuggets and another drink, it doesn't work.
That's why you use a cup.
Okay, slow it. That was nasty. Oh no, I just like vomited. No, I'm serious, I really did. I like threw up in the toilet. Okay. Moving on to the next thing.
Why don't you eat those things from like 3 months ago?
What do you mean?
The pecan delights, yeah.
I ate them all.
Then why do you have the box?
Just kidding, there's 2 left.
Yeah, those are from when Ray, Savannah, and I went down to Sterling Heights and did that.
It's fine.
I guess.
Okay.
These still are 3 months old.
And?
You want it? I don't want it.
Yum!
They're better when they're fresh.
No, they aren't.
Are you bashing them? Even though you ate like all of them? You're bashing them?
No.
Uh-huh.
What's this?
Ow.
God bless you in America.
Another one's coming.
Bless you, bless you, bless you! I stopped it, you're welcome.
No, I can feel it. It's
Bless you, bless you, bless you,
it's
bless
still
you.
in there. It's like right up in there.
Get away from your hand! Don't sneeze! You're gonna sneeze on me.
No shit, back off. I've had those.
Well, you're gonna eat again.
Don't get crumbs on my bed.
I'm so nasty.
The lemon ones are better. Yummy.
I don't know where I got that. I think it's from you.
Yeah.
You have like 9 in there, and I'm just like, thanks. Alright, next thing.
You're never gonna go to sleep.
What?
I said you're not gonna go to sleep because
you
you're.
sleep?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that looks. That sounds like healthy, and I don't do healthy.
Does it look like I do
I'm on a
healthy?
seafood diet. When I see food, I'm gonna eat it.
That has nothing to do with sleeping, though.
Sleeping is healthy.
So?
Next, we're gonna try the Starburst.
Don't do that.
Okay. Oh my god!
What? Oh shit.
Open yours.
No, you got
Yeah,
that. You got that. No, stop.
I have more. I'll give you one.
Okay, then give me it. Did you find it?
Got it.
Okay.
No, look, you got two pinks too.
Oh man, was it like an all pink pack?
Probably.
There's so many people.
Come on.
I actually don't want these.
Good, I'll take it. Don't touch mine!
Oh shit.
You won't do that. Free.
Okay. How far into his room did it go?
Why are you not like laying down?
That was up the floor.
Well, I can see that, but it's like 10 o'clock. Why are you not laying down?
Because I'm spending time with my family.
No one here wants you, remember?
Well,
You
that's not...
wanted to stay with your mom all day today.
You want to start? She wants me! Love you.
Yeah, I love you too. No, go for it.
Do you have another one of these? Because I want one. Okay, good. I'll take it anyways. Love you!
Ow!
Don't touch me.
You fell on me.
Call abuse. He wants his son. You want me. No, you don't. You really don't. Okay, next we're gonna try this. It's so good. My teeth are so excited. I'm gonna try this now.
Am I supposed to be opening mine?
Sure. Actually, no. Because if I don't like this and you like it, you can have mine. There you go.
I don't want some stale ass Halloween candy.
Oh my god. Those taste like the chocolate bunnies from Easter.
I don't want it.
I don't want it either.
You had that sideways, by the way.
My face is sideways.
We know.
Next, we're gonna try these.
Stop putting everything in your
This is
mouth.
something that I could be, but I'm not.
Smarty.
I'm a dum dum. Ooh, that hurt.
That sounded like it hurt. Don't ever do that again.
What, this?
Stop it. If you throw up in here, I'm gonna punch you. Stop! What the fuck? Stop it! I'm gonna turn this off before you throw up. Stop!
Hold on, one more. Okay, I'm good.
Are you done?
No.
I'm shutting this off.
No, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I promise. I'm done. Okay, I'm seriously done. Let's get
Okay.